shall we, no? Ang throwback lang tayo ng konti. Ang Kita-Kits, sa'yo pa rin nag-umpisa, no?
Yung Kita-Kits, because of my McDo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you take us back to the time?
Oh my God, you know, I was with McDo for 18 years.
Wow.
I was the one that told them this year, at alam nila to, sabi ko kay Sandro Sanz, you tell them, I'm okay na, it's okay. Sabi ko sa manager ko, they don't have to keep renewing me anymore. Because I was still being retained as brand ambassador. So, parang kahit hindi ako nagko-commercials, parang family. So, I could tell them, I'm okay, it's okay, they don't have to keep paying me anymore. I'm so grateful for the 18 years. Biro mo, McDonald's was the first commercial I did after I married Kiko. And it lasted for 18 years. I've been married almost 19. Ganun kahaba. So, I went through all those stages with McDo na I was treated like family. My fried chicken was mine. My French fries were mine. I was promoting the Big Mac, but my favorite was the Quarter Pounder with cheese. So, yung Kita-Kits tayo sa McDo, that became talaga very famous. That was a catchphrase na, oh, Kita-Kits, hanggang ngayon they use it kahit hindi for McDo, di ba?
Okay, parang naging bahagi ka talaga ng kasaysayan ng Pinoy, shall we?
Thank you
Because
so
of that
much.
ad.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So what do you think is the influence of the megastar sa publiko? Pag gumagawa ka ng ads, always, no?
Parang I'm the wrong person to ask naman. Parang I'm the wrong person to ask. I think I would rather that you maybe talk to the people na I work for, the services and products that I endorse. I also want to hear it.
I guess it's coming from, you know, yung siguro yung sinseridad.
Yes, tsaka I don't,
yung katapatan
kasi
sa mga
ever since alam nila yan, everybody knows na, kasi lalo na yung mga nag-offer sa akin ng super laki, minsan doble ng fee. Pero yung, ang pinaka-problema ko yung paano ko sasabihin, I'm so sorry but I don't use the product. Kasi feeling ko parang binubola ko yung audience ko, yung fans ko na sumusuporta. Well, of course, it's a business, but I was very fortunate. I was blessed to be in a position to decline. Kasi marami namang iba na talagang ginagamit or gusto kong gamitin. So, I was like that. I still am. So, they know that very well. So, anything I put my stamp on, anything I attach my name to had to be worth my while and, you know, my fans, my supporters, money and support.
Okay.
Nakakaya naman, di ba?